All right, so we are here repainting the house. So this is a new construction. Previous contractors are no longer here, and issues like where they sprayed paint, it's on the black windows that were pre-painted from the factory. So all that is overspray. We're gonna try and use latex lift off to get all those off. But that same overspray is on every single window. This was just happened to be the only one that they didn't try and fix. So let's go take a look how they fixed it. So the fix that they did was they went and got some black paint and they painted anywhere where there was white on the black. Problem is, it's not the same black and it's not the same sheen. So just like there, you can see the touch-ups and you can see some of these other places where they put touch-ups on there. So it's not the same. So now all these brand new windows have to be repainted with the same sheen as these came from the factory. So these are all Marvin windows. So Marvin Black from, I guess through Sherwin-Williams. I'm assuming like tricorn, but it's Marvin Black as a color. So that's how we are gonna take care of that problem.